Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a truly fascinating topic that might just resonate with you on a profound level. Have you ever felt like you're experiencing things differently, seeing the world with new eyes, or even feeling physical shifts that others don't seem to notice? If so, you might just be one of the chosen. Now, before you jump to conclusions, let's clarify. We're not talking about anything exclusive or superior here. We're talking about individuals who are deeply connected to their inner selves, highly empathetic, and perhaps undergoing a significant personal transformation or spiritual awakening. These are people who are consciously evolving, tuning into higher frequencies, and, as a result, often experience some truly unique physical changes. So, if you're curious to see if these 7 signs apply to you, stick around, hit that like button, and let's explore these unmistakable shifts together. Get ready to have your perceptions challenged and your self-awareness amplified. First up, let's talk about heightened sensory perception. Many individuals on this path report that their senses become incredibly acute. Colors might appear more vibrant, sounds richer and more layered, and even tastes and smells become intensely nuanced. It's like the world suddenly comes alive in high definition. You might find yourself noticing details you've always overlooked, or even feeling overwhelmed by strong sensory input in busy environments. This isn't just about improved eyesight or hearing. It's a deeper, more profound engagement with your environment, suggesting an increased awareness and sensitivity to the subtleties of life. It's as if your brain is processing more information from the world around you, allowing you to perceive beauty and depth where you once saw the mundane. This heightened perception can be both a gift and a challenge, requiring you to learn how to manage and integrate this new level of awareness. Next, we have significant shifts in sleep patterns. This is a big one for many who identify as chosen. You might find yourself needing less sleep, yet feeling more energized, or perhaps experiencing periods of intense, vivid dreams that feel incredibly real and meaningful. Some report waking up at specific times during the night, feeling compelled to meditate or reflect, only to fall back asleep easily. Others find their sleep becoming incredibly light, making them more attuned to subtle disturbances. These changes aren't necessarily about insomnia or poor sleep quality, but rather a recalibration of your internal clock and energy cycles. Your body and mind are undergoing a transformation, and your sleep is often one of the first areas to reflect these deep internal shifts. It's a sign that your subconscious is actively working and processing, even while you rest. Our third unmistakable sign is an increased sensitivity to energy. This can manifest in various ways. You might start feeling the energy of other people, places, or even objects very distinctly. Crowded spaces might drain you faster, while natural environments recharge you instantly. You could find yourself picking up on the moods and intentions of others without them saying a word, or even feeling physical sensations like tingling or warmth when connecting with certain people or places. This isn't just empathy, it's a profound energetic awareness. You're becoming a more finely tuned instrument, capable of sensing the invisible currents of energy that flow all around us. This sensitivity can guide you towards people and situations that uplift you and help you avoid those that might deplete your energy. It's about learning to trust your gut feelings on a much deeper energetic level. Moving on to number 4. Changes in dietary preferences and digestion. Many individuals undergoing a personal awakening find their bodies craving different kinds of foods. You might suddenly develop a strong aversion to processed foods, meat, or certain heavy meals, opting instead for lighter, more natural, and plant-based options. Your digestive system might become more sensitive, reacting strongly to foods that once caused no issues. This isn't just about a change in taste, it's often your body communicating its needs more clearly. As your energy vibrates at a higher frequency, it naturally seeks out nourishment that supports that vibration. It's a natural inclination towards purity and lightness, aligning your physical body with your evolving inner state. Listening to these cues can lead to improved physical health and a greater sense of well-being. The 5th physical change is experiencing unexplained aches, pains, or pressure. This might sound counterintuitive, but many report experiencing what they describe as ascension symptoms. These can include headaches, joint pain, muscle aches, or even pressure in the head or chest that medical tests can't fully explain. These sensations are often interpreted as your physical body adjusting to new energetic frequencies and recalibrating itself. It's like your system is being upgraded, and sometimes that process can come with some temporary discomfort. It's crucial to rule out any medical conditions, of course, but if you've done that and still experience these unexplained shifts, it might be a sign that your body is aligning with a higher vibrational state. Hydration, rest, and gentle movement can often help manage these feelings. Our 6th unmistakable sign is a powerful intuition and gut feeling that feels almost physical. This isn't just a vague hunch, it's a strong, undeniable pull or push that manifests as a physical sensation in your body. Your gut might literally churn when something isn't right, or you might feel a warm, expansive feeling when you're on the right track. This amplified intuition becomes a reliable inner compass, guiding your decisions and actions with remarkable accuracy. It's a direct line to your inner wisdom, bypassing overthinking and doubt. Trusting these physical manifestations of intuition becomes key, as it's your body's way of communicating vital information to you. It's a profound connection to your deeper self, helping you navigate life with greater confidence and clarity. And finally, number 7. Periods of intense energy surges followed by deep fatigue. This roller coaster of energy levels is a common experience. You might have days or even weeks where you feel incredibly vital, productive, and full of boundless energy, only to be followed by periods where you feel completely drained, needing significant rest and introspection. These fluctuations are often linked to energetic downloads, personal breakthroughs, or periods of intense emotional processing. Your system is working overtime during the surges, integrating new information and energy, and then requires time to rest and consolidate those changes. It's a natural rhythm of expansion and integration, and understanding this cycle can help you honor your body's needs and avoid burnout. Embrace the rest periods as much as the energetic ones, knowing they are both part of your journey. So, there you have it. 7 unmistakable physical changes that many on a path of deep personal connection and awakening often experience. How many of these resonated with you? It's truly fascinating to see how our inner growth can manifest so clearly in our physical bodies. Remember, these experiences are unique to each individual, and the journey is all about self-discovery and embracing your authentic self. If you found this video insightful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone who might need to hear this, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments which of these points you connect with the most. Your insights are always appreciated. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay amazing.